Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Citroen C3. Just turn the fan down there, not to make so much noise. Then we have to make sure Bluetooth is on and we're watching out at the bottom. It's already picked up BT radio, but I'll just show you. We'll switch it off, and then on again. Go to picked it up straight away again, so it's a good signal, obviously. But what you have to do, if you go to menu here, and then here you've got, let's just flip it across. Trip computer, personalization configuration, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone and audio. So we click OK in the middle. That's what we want. Then you've got Bluetooth configurations. That one manages telephone call. That's greyed out because there's nothing, it's not a telephone call and there's nothing connected. So Bluetooth configuration, so click OK. At the moment it's on delete a paired equipment, but you can either connect, disconnect to an equipment or perform a Bluetooth search, but up to connect, disconnect an equipment and then click OK. Now this is where I struggled before because it wouldn't connect to audio, but anyway, telephone function. That's what we want. So telephone function, click on there, and then we click here. It's thinking about it, see what happens. Now it's asking me for a code, so I'll just put in 4 noughts, click pair. Then accept the pairing with Barry's iPhone 13. So we want yes. So yes is highlighted. If you wanted to do no, you just click the sideways arrow, but as I say, yes, and then click OK in the center. And then we've got to put the code I just put in there. And so if I click on naught, paired with Barry's phone, success. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And it should let me just try and find it. There you go, BT radio connected.